I'm going to go left towards Tilton on the hill. Checking my make sure that fan stayed there. Okay. This is a lovely road. That's a warm up what we've just done. This is the main event. Oh, hear that 4-stroke, 4-cylinder engine. What a sound. Don't we just... I'm a big fan of the 4-cylinder rather than the highly torqued 2-cylinder, like the Ninja. But everyone likes their own thing. Some people like different sorts of bikes. I like my naked sports bike. It's light. Wasn't much fun in the wind last weekend though. All the big boys and the tourers are steady. I was bobbing around like a cork in a toilet. There might be a bit of mud on the road, so just keeping an eye on that. Traffic lights up ahead. Oh, it's gone to red. How boring. But here we go, this has been fun. Whee! I'm going to slow down. Oh, it's a 3-way one as well. It's going to take ages, this is. There we go. We stop here, shall we? Ah, there we go. See flashing lights up ahead. Something big coming, or going away from me, I think. So many things stopping me, have fun. Other people are like, oh, okay, this will be rapidly stopping. They're just putting out the traffic lights here. They're not going to stop there, are they? Coming to the left. Okay. Into the 30. Okay, this is Tilton on the hill. So the village is national speed limit, village, national speed limit. It just gives an opportunity. I can sit back, just have a little relax. Because my back is 50 years old plus. Just going to stretch out in between. And this is why I can't do bikes with fairings and drop handlebars. They're just too much pressure on the back, on the lower back. So that was Tilton, and now it gets fun. Nice bit of counter steering around that corner. Such a nice bit of road. You see where I'm following the tree line around to see where it's going. Coming in here, braking a little bit later, braking down. Got juddery road surface there, so it's not the best road surface in the world. Look at this. Whee! This way and that way. Oh, this is such fun. I'm easing off, powering it through. Goes round to the right, we've got to come across to the left. Chevron warning there, bring it in there, that's fine. Camber works against you here. It's actually leaning away, it's quite a dodgy corner because it does go against you, so just be careful around there. It's not banked at all, it's banked the wrong way with sort of inverse camber. Coming through there, just checking that car there, in, ease, just powering it through out the other side. Oh yes, it is nice. Woo-hoo. A couple of junctions up here, just to be a little bit careful. Oh, look at this road! How cool! Woohoo! Oh, it's such fun. a little bit off there, putting a little bit on. Regardless, one of those things. Yeah, I came across. Well, I had one of those in the road leaning over the fence the other day. Came face to face with it over a hedge. Like final destination moment. Anyway, here we go. We're going down here. Last bit of the humps and the lumps and the turns. Nice sweeping turns. There we go. Going that way. Hold it there. Okay, a lovely sweeping turn. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. Just powering out the corner. Another sweeping turn, looking out for the junction on the left. Just keep an eye on these people here. Have they seen me? Yeah, absolutely. Just hold back a little bit just in case. Look at this sweeping corner. Look at it go. Where it goes. Lead on. Power out the other side. How good is this road? It's right on our doorstep here, Market Harbour. Judder. Oh, back to 30. Leaning around. Oh, they've had some new asphalt as well, new tarmac road. This is such a nice road. Bit of mud and stuff, you keep an eye out for that. Especially it's a bit damp today. Looking ahead, just seen the biker down there. We'll give him there, slowing it down. I hope he's seen the biker, the person in front. It's okay, you got there before. Oh, it's only a cyclist. I just saw big headlights. Here we go, over the ridge. Whee! Oi! Well suck you, Mikey, there. Looking for that, look into the corner. Here we go, sweepy corner. And of course, vein to 30. Euro check, off we go. I could have dropped it to third there, it's fine. On to the next village. Time for a breather. Thorpe, Satchville. There we go, in we go. He's looking a bit, he looks like an ex-biker. He's thinking, oh, wish I was out on my bike today. Few horses here. Now then, 10 miles an hour we're looking for. I'm just going to stay back. I'm a little bit noisy in the car, so I'm just going to come out here. I'm just going to idle through. Just keeping on that horse. There we go. Keeping it here. I'm going to wait for her to guide me. Okay, she's turning right. So no need to go around there. I took my guidance. Off the nice lady. So really, when we go around horses, they're the number one. We'll let them take control of the situation. They're generally very good at signalling, using hand signals and showing their, communicating their intentions to us. Absolutely no need to go past that horse there. Took about, what, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So what I don't want is a horse getting startled and kicking out at me, because I'm just as vulnerable as that rider on top of that horse. So what's really nice now, I've now got the confidence to give a commentary whilst I'm riding. In the first month I passed by Mod 2, I said, oh, I've got to do not a single word was said. I didn't even realise I was silent. It's just all like complete concentration. But now, even in one season of riding, it's become so much more confident, I suppose is the right word. Got this sweeping, beautiful sweeping corner. Around it goes, looking ahead, powering it through out the other side. Oh, it's like Mallory Park, but narrower and stuff coming the other way. So that really gave me confidence, that track day. It's not a track day, it's an advanced day put up by the Institute of Advanced Motorists. About £250 for about 8 hours. You have 6 sessions for about 20-25 minutes, building up your confidence, building up your speed, and especially coming faster into the bend, braking on the straight, and having confidence to put that brake on at the front and getting the steer as more traction as the tyre spreads and gives you more grip. It's a confidence thing. Do it on the racetrack. The worst comes to the worst, where you slide on your arse into a field, not into an oncoming car. So if you want some more confidence for corners, I would really recommend you look up the Institute of Advanced Motorists. They do all around the country. The one I did is at Mallory Park, because it's about 40 minutes from me. What a valuable day. Best £250 I spent in terms of improving my biking. All run by volunteers. It's a great organisation, and yeah, highly recommended. So we're just going through this little village, and we're going to come up to the old airfield. That's on the outskirts of Melton Mowbray. I know someone told me what it was famous for, because I used to do driving instructor lessons around here when I first started about 8-9 years ago. And I think it might be Lancaster bombers or Spitfires in the Second World War or something like that, or the Americans had it. I'm going to look it up, because I hate not knowing something I've forgotten. So now it's just like an area for where it's not an aircraft anymore. It's not used to anything at all. But it means it's high up, it's flat, and you get some beautiful sweepy corners. And we love beautiful sweepy corners, don't we? Oh yes. There we go, Think Bike. Exactly my sweepy corner. Here we go. Leaning in, get steeper and steeper, just using the throttle to adjust. The faster it go, the more it bike straightens, so straighten it out. So I only set it once there, I just angled it once and used the speed to change the angle of the corner. If you want to straighten it, you go faster. If you want to slow it down, just ease off the throttle a little bit. But yeah, basically your handlebar position stays the same, and you use the throttle to control your cornering. It's a great feeling when you get it. Again, it's one of those confidence things, isn't it? And that's what we learned on the track day. One of the many things we learned on the track day. Just easing off, looking it in there. Here we come into Melton Mowbray. What a beautiful route.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.